16th December 2012. Time 9:10 p.m. A 23-year-old woman and her male friend's journey home from a movie screening in a private bus turns horrific. 6 people on board, including the driver and the bus assistant, all allegedly inebriated, raped the woman and thrashed her friend severely. The doctor at the Safdarjung hospital, where she was admitted, were horrified by the brutality of the attack. Within hours, the gruesome story hit the headlines and people thronged India Gate in protest.
We've been protesting since I don't know how many days and years now, but nothing has been happening. And look at the kind of answers that the police and the Chief Minister gives.
Every rape is a slur on a woman. That is what hurts me. And every rape is followed by another rape, by another rape. It doesn't stop.
The 23-year-old victim finally succumbed to her injuries on the 29th of December at the Mount Elizabeth Hospital in Singapore.
The best way for us to pay homage to her is to not let this momentum that we've built up and this pressure that we're putting on the administration die down. We need to keep this up. We need to keep this up till the state government, the central government wakes up to its responsibilities.
While some protesters demanded immediate execution, others asked for chemical castration. Protesters also called on the judiciary not to forgive the accused, who was a juvenile, forcing the government to set up a panel to review the anti-rape law. A new anti-rape law with stringent provisions for acid attack, voyeurism, stalking and for those accused of rape came into force. But there was no change in the Juvenile Justice Act, which treats anyone less than 18 years of age as a juvenile in conflict with law. While the adult accused in the case faced trial in a fast-track court in Delhi, the teenager is being tried in a juvenile court. And although he has been booked for heinous charges such as rape and murder, he can only be punished and sent to an observation home for 3 years. Bureau Report, CNN, IBN.
All eyes on the Delhi Juvenile Court today. The court is set to pronounce the first verdict in the December 16 Delhi gang rape case that shocked the entire nation and resulted in massive street protests across the country.
Every rape is a slur on a woman. That is what hurts me.
Will the verdict set to rest the debate over punishment for juveniles? That's the big story on CNN IBN through the day.